Episode 4. They don't know कि ये take 5 है. मैं थक चुका हूँ.
Take 5 of the entire podcast.
The topic for today is meetings that could have been an email. To start with, I have two stats. One of which is research shows employees attend almost like 62 meetings per month, out of which 50% is a waste.
62
62. महीने में कितना दिन होता है?
रोज भी काम किया तो 2 मीटिंग्स पर डे.
उसको बोलते हैं ओवर टाइम.
नहीं, ओवर टाइम इसको
Overtime it's serious.
So, what do you think about this stat?
This is internal meetings or with client as well.
Okay.
That they have not mentioned.
So what is a meeting? पहली बात. Are we doing a meeting right now?
For Gen Z audience, a meeting is यहाँ पे text डाल दो.
When you meet.
Yeah.
Please, the Google
Text-
definition
text line.
should come here.
Okay, I think this starts is for internal meetings.
Let's assume intern.
If it's with client, then it's fair because these days you travel a lot and all of those. The stats also has mentioned that 50% of them are waste. So it pretty much shows that most of things could have been just email.
Yeah.
पर फिर भी हम मीटिंग करते हैं क्योंकि people find it convenient and एक वो होता ना कि मीटिंग में तुम ऑर्डर भी दे सकते हो. You need some sort of discipline and everything to mail, to figure out things or to put properly. That takes more time for a lot of people. So I think that's wrong, but लोग ये reason की वजह से करते हैं.
Here we are not a very meeting driven company. Whatever like we want to discuss or why the fuck are you laughing?
I don't think today we had 2 meetings, 2 very long.
Yeah, like 3 to 4.
That we had after
on.
months, right?
To be fair,
That was
Yeah. But that was needed, okay?
नहीं, setting the mood perfect. We were prepared.
yes.
Good. So the next stat is which says meetings cost companies up to $100 million a year, which means that it costs a lot.
Work is not being done because
Considering the time and all of those.
I thought कि एक Zoom meeting में इतना
नहीं time is money. तुम लोगों नहीं समझेगा ये. But it is what it is.
उसको लगा सब्सक्रिप्शन कॉस्ट है. 100 million का सब्सक्रिप्शन.
Don't tell me. That's what he thought.
Yeah.
I'm not on the
Then what was?
मैं तो जीमीट कर लेता हूँ.
We're not in the same team.
Gmeet तो free है.
व्हाट्सएप कॉल भी फ्री है.
travel expenses. इतना मीटिंग कर रहे हैं, इतना घूम रहे हैं.
नहीं, only the aspect here is time, right?
I mean,
That could have been invested in a better.
Yeah. And like he mentioned that maybe they travel for the meeting, so that travel is also a waste if there's no outcome out of it.
But this, we are talking about online meetings, I guess.
They have not specified it. So अब जब meeting का बात आ ही गया है, my question to you guys is that do you think Gen Zs are taken seriously in discussions?
Personally, I've been lucky in terms of that because I've worked in smaller agencies. So it's a team of 25.
तू हर एपिसोड में smaller agencies बोलना बंद कर. They are right, pretty big agency.
नहीं, इसके पहले smaller. This is big.
This is big.
फिर ठीक है.
And my second point was, and the people around me have been comparatively younger compared to other NLDs and all of that. So there I have not felt ki I'm not being heard. If we consider client meetings also, then it's a different dynamic. Because we are younger, so would the client take us seriously? If there's a senior present, like for example you're present, so they are more likely to ask you, hey Abhinav, is this, what do you think of this idea? And address you instead of addressing me, even though I might be leading that idea.
We are just joining the workforce. We don't really have the experience of speaking to clients, of presenting ideas, of maybe coming up with good ideas that are standard for the field itself. It also comes with कि मुझे time waste नहीं करना है इसके साथ. But if the senior in the meet also approves, then I think that is when it goes through. I think what we can do here is that we have this internal meeting and then we present the ideas to you. If a client too, I think obviously doesn't know us, doesn't personally know us, doesn't know how smart we are, how creative we are, how good we are.
He's talking about some other bees.
मतलब what I mean to say is they don't personally know us, so they don't know how we work. So फिर if that goes through them and then slowly but surely we also need to be like pushed into proper leading the meets.
But honestly, it takes time
Huh.
to the meet. Even we definitely decent amount of time to lead to understand because we have been working with the clients since a long time. We know the story, we know how what brand is and how they work and all of those. So, but yeah, after a quarter of time, if you are able to cope up in terms of learning and all of those, I think
Have you guys ever felt nervous for any client meet here?
Every meet ever. It's like it was every.
Why?
No, it's not about
that's normal.
it's not really about what you guys would think. It's mostly about what they would think of you. कि मतलब तुम इसको बोलने दे रहे हो कि if I mess up, तुम come on man, what is this type हो गया.
Okay, tell us your experience of your first meeting or wherever you had your first meeting, client meeting, or where a serious meeting, online, offline, whatever.
So I was so it was a transition. So the person who was handling it was client servicing call, and the person who was before me, they just did a very like one day. They said I will not be joining. It was not a very smooth transition. Suddenly the next day I was supposed to be the client servicing lead. So that
Lead. Okay.
there's only one person speaking to them basically, and it was very intimidating because it was a lot. The person on the other side was a lot older, and that was my technically, in terms of a corporate setting, first job. And he was also a very closed off person, like not a fun and very straight face. So I was like, I don't know how to act. Like you're not giving me any energy to reciprocate and make me feel at ease. And it was an online meet. So that just, there's no, casualties. You just say hi, hello, and then like, okay. Just.
अरे ये क्या बात कर रहे हैं ये लोग?
Especially in that sense, online meets are very dead if the person is not responding well. Yeah, late time बोलते क्या बोलूँ अभी? सुन रहे हो नहीं सुन रहे हो?
Nice, nice
the
point. Online meet or offline meet? What do you prefer?
Offline, hands down, anytime.
Left.
I would travel states and countries to go and meet.
Of course you would. If you get to travel.
No, not just because of travel. Just no, I prefer offline anytime because I feel we can have a good and better conversation. मुझे लगता है 15 मिनट के ऊपर जो भी calls जाता है, those are dead after a point of time. नहीं सुनता है. मैं भी सुनना थोड़ा मेरा भी capacity कम हो जाता है. उनका भी
ऐसा नहीं है. If any client is listening to this, no, he listens.
We listen.
और offline थोड़ा controllable भी है कि you can understand the expressions.
हाँ.
And उस हिसाब से okay, if you feel that meeting is going off somewhere, then you just throw some other कुछ और बोल के वापस attention लाना. And one thing what I always do is whenever I go to client's place, no matter मैं अगर 5 चाय पी के भी गया हूँ, if they ask tea, water, tea or coffee, anything, मैं चाय मंगवाता ही कि वो मेरा meeting extend करता है as a business person. Because that time I get to, understand more, talk more, maybe have some casual talks, build relation. So that is what I prefer always. कितनी भी गंदी चाय, mostly 80% corporates में गंदी चाय होती है.
हाँ.
But I would never say no. मैं खाली एक सिप लूंगा. वो भी होठों से वो भी नीचे डाल दूंगा. But I would always.
मतलब I saw him do this एक meeting में. That was my first offline meeting like ever in my life, like without client. So we went to them and then of course as he said they offered tea, coffee, जो भी. He asked for tea. And he didn't drink it. He took a sip and then he kept it. और फिर मतलब थोड़े टाइम तक पिया नहीं. मैंने भी पिया नहीं था थोड़े टाइम तक. I took a sip and I understood कि
I can imagine his face.
ये चल रहा है. Okay. उस मीटिंग में भी he was obviously pretty much leading the meet. और I did not know what to do. I was only taking like notes. They were talking. I like notes. अगर ऑनलाइन मीट भी होता है तो तभी आई कैन एक्सप्रेस माई सेल्फ प्रॉपरली, तभी मैं बोल सकता हूँ. बट फिर ऑफलाइन में इट इज अ वेरी डिफरेंट फीलिंग.
And luckily, at that time, after we left, we got a call from Sony. He wanted to do some AV and internal videos and all of those. वो वहाँ भी आया. So it was too much for him in a day.
In a day.
2 big clients in a single day, in a single travel. मतलब वो तो एकदम.
But Navneet, like what you said right now, it makes me, I think, what you guys should understand is for the younger people that don't be scared of people judging you. People will judge. The thing is that unless and until you make mistakes in the meeting, because people who have mentored me or guided me have told me that it's okay. It's okay if you mess up completely. We'll handle it, but speak up. So it just gives you your personality a touch that, the client will think that, the team that, if, you're traveling with Hitesh, the client will think that, okay, the team is very smart. They can talk and they don't just say yes to what we say. It's just, it builds your image. Even if you mess up, it's okay. They understand that, you guys are young and inexperienced and they'll not, वो खाएंगे नहीं तुम्हें. But the only thing is that speak up. And ऐसे कोई तुमको सिखाने नहीं वाला है कि अरे मीटिंग में बैठ के ऐसे करना होता है. There is no playbook or rule book for it. You only get to, even if there is, I am not aware, but you will only get to learn or be better at meetings once you start speaking up.
And it's very simple. You just have to notice what others are doing and just adapt it. Very simple.
Yeah. Some things like, very basic thing of looking smart in a meeting is do your research. Understand what is the context. Even if you're not getting the context, try to, have a word with your bosses or your immediate managers about what is the context and how can I be of any use in the meeting or what can I say. Then don't just be silent. It will not help in any way.
One thing I'd like to add is a difference I have seen is when a senior includes you in the meeting, like in a very small way with the client. So you just feel included and they also acknowledge you. They've just not, it's not just a handshake, they've genuinely acknowledged you and a take you've had.
That also builds the confidence.
Yeah.
in us.
Yeah, absolutely.
Definitely.
So, as a naam le liya, to aage jaake I will definitely be more active as well.
So even when we're presenting ideas, I remember doing a call on rules. It was me and Anvita presenting, and you said, "Ki the girls have really worked hard on this, and I really like this idea because you've been working on rules for a couple of years." So hearing that from you, and then he's like, "Yeah, I also like it." Well, before that, he did not like the client did not have that feedback, and I'm sure he was thinking on it, but then he was able to give an actual feedback and be like, "Okay, these are good ideas or bad ideas." Until then, we did not know.
Yeah, because one of the reason client might have second thought if he hadn't said that thing.
Yeah.
It's a psychology game as well because the client is trusting him already. He's been working on that since a long time. Now that he has said, I approve the ideas, you just listen to it once. Then even if it's not attentive, he's like, okay, I trust him. And then even you guys got confidence and then you're like, of course, if he has said it, then ideas were good. I'm not saying the ideas were not good. But even if going ahead, if you are a leader or you have someone who's working under you, you should boost the confidence of your junior.
I think from an
Really help
employee
them.
point of view, definitely.
Absolutely. Not just employer, even a manager or anything. If you are having a higher position, just make sure that you make your team feel confident because they are going to do all the groundwork. If they are not confident about the work which they'll be doing, then मजा नहीं आएगा.
Yeah. ये बच्चे लोग को ना बहुत ज़्यादा मारना तो पड़ता ही है बट पैम्पर बहुत करना पड़ता है. ठीक है, काम तो अलग ही रह जाता है. ये सब अलग सोचो इनके बारे में कि क्या बोलूंगा मैं तो इनको अच्छा लगेगा. सो ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स कम इन टू प्ले व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग विद Gen Zs. So you try to make their confidence little more than usual.
Little words of appreciation.
But भाई सच ना तुम भी
Appreciated.
the employers need to think कि तुम भी कभी तो नए थे. So it's very simple.
Like on that, you guys were new at a point as well. I wanted to ask what was your first experience in a proper client meeting?
So because we started on our own, we did not have anyone, above us.
Teaching us.
Teaching us. But it came to us naturally, like, because in colleges or in universities, you are speaking to someone senior, you have to be like little formal. So that came naturally to us. But one very funny incident I'll tell you, I remember it very clearly because it was the first time when I was intimidated by a client. So what happened, we went for a meeting. They still are our client and they are a very cool agency, okay? So there was a brief from some big brand and we were all ideating, like their servicing team, their creative team, and all of us were ideating. And in the meeting, I was looking up and I was thinking. And the head, and he's a very funny guy in general, and he is very, sweet, but he's little strict and he is little intimidating. Like if you work with him, you will feel, अरे थोड़ा सोच समझ के बात करना है. I was sitting and I was looking up. तो वो he suddenly he didn't ask me, he asked him because I was with him. He's like, हितेश ये कुछ बोल क्यों नहीं रहा है? So I froze. I literally froze. Like I was like, but he covered up for me as usual. He is like, नहीं वो सोच रहा है. मैं हाँ मैं सोच रहा हूँ.
So my first meeting was L&T. Formal meeting. L&T. It was a corporate. I've never stepped into any corporate, a giant building bigger than our offices in Powai, you know. So I just went and there were a lot of formalities to just get in. I got nervous there itself. अंदर घुसने से पहले ही इतना गेट पास ये वो सब
हाँ गेट पास फोटो निकाल रहे हैं.
So फोटो निकाल रहे हैं. They ask if you are getting any vehicle or not. You have to mail the security blah blah. बहुत इतना क्या है?
वीडियो बनाने हमें.
हाँ वापस then I just entered and I was very small, thin, no beard, nothing, just 17, 18.
Yeah.
Stepped in, ऐसे ही with my MacBook and I used to have the school side bag and as soon as I stepped in, सब लोग formals में. इतना फॉर्मल मैंने जिंदगी में नहीं मुझे लगता बैंक वाले ही इतना फॉर्मल रहते हैं. अभी वो सब में भी इतना ज्यादा होता है तो पता नहीं था.
So innocent.
So मैं अकेला था and there I had 4 people who were 4 times my age.
Yeah.
And I was one junior from their team. So the boss, the marketing manager was sitting this way. The other guy was sitting. I was like how Navneet is sitting. मैं तो नॉर्मली कॉन्वर्सेशन कर रहा था. They said we have a brief. Do you आपके पास GST है ये है? बोला नहीं कुछ भी नहीं. क्या करना है बस. So ठीक है. So the other guy, this guy, the newer guy from, so he was doing this again and again.
Oh.
And that was kind of bothering me. So I did not tell him anything. He understood, the guy, the manager. Of course, he had experience. He just did this. He did not tell him anything. He just did this. And then he was like there and then he stopped. So he was very nervous. वो दिख रहा था उसको. So मैंने जो भी तुम्हारे साथ होता he or she should cover instead of, you know, starting में तो. Then I don't think so उसने बाद में वापस कभी वैसा कुछ किया होगा. So ये छोटे छोटे gestures matter करता है. Like how you said about him. तो ये इससे now that is in your that is stuck in your mind. So वो भी वो जिंदगी भर याद रखेगा.
Having said that, my question to you guys is, what do you guys think that how can you redesign meetings or make it, new age? How can it be faster? And the second part of the question is that are Gen Zs actually just impatient or are they showing us smarter ways to work?
Agreed on the impatient part. I think we definitely don't have the patience in just how, like personally, our schooling has been and how we've gone through life. Patience is not a skill that is taught in general.
Can you elaborate?
In the world that we live in now, everything is very fast paced. Like we get, मतलब वही convenience वाली चीज हो जाती है कि so you are not used to waiting and in that sense. But also, how can we redesign meetings? Like not every meeting needs to be everyone involved. कि मैं काम कब करूँ, like full day meetings. That is a big ranting. कि अभी we are just having a meeting to discuss some other meeting, मतलब that.
But
sort of
genuinely, like when I used to work, there were days when like the morning catch up used to go till 3 hours. Like just the morning catch up. Morning catch up used to be like, what are we going to do today? And we are lost today.
उसके बाद yeah, and then in the evening कुछ काम की नहीं हुआ है. So 3 hours of that.
Yeah, I mean, I understand the concern of bosses that, you need to know that what is happening today and everything is delivered on time because certain things are important. But no, just a casual catch up or a quick meeting cannot be like 3 hours. And even if you have something important, I think the way to redesign it is to make pointers and just stick to it. Yeah, don't beat around the bush. Just stick to it, discuss it, and just leave and start the work. I think people should learn to cut down on a lot of things. Just stick to the points that are important and get the work done. Work on it, then maybe like again discuss on it. So there is some progress at least.
And also I think ये कोविड के बाद ज़्यादा हो गया. especially the people got used to and they had got this habit of getting on meet, work from home when it started. पहले इतने नहीं होते थे meetings,
Yeah,
है ना?
yeah.
Collating people in one room takes time.
Yeah.
It's just like in our office.
Yeah.
But now it's just one link. You just take on WhatsApp, you share a Zoom link or Google Meet, whatever, and then you have to be there. COVID के time तो meetings बहुत होते थे, like daily catch-ups.
Yeah.
10 a.m., 9:30 a.m. The people used to start that, discuss for hour, 1.5 hour. हम लोग ने भी किया है.
People were actually paranoid of losing the business.
Yes. So they wanted, and they did not have trust with their employees क्योंकि work from home पहले कभी था नहीं.
But transformed.
Yeah, and वो habit निकला नहीं उसके बाद से.
People in the room, the manager should check ki, are these people required? Like, is everyone in the room who's discussing, is that required? Or can we make it a smaller team? I think that will eventually reduce half the conversations that are happening.
Yeah. Which reminds me of one of the hack that we follow here at CFE is like when we do weekly catch-ups, what we do is like the person who has the least updates, we get it done first so that, you know, he or she can leave the meeting and they can start with their work. हर एक जन का, because we work on different clients, you do not need to hear what is happening on that client. So we just, you know, quickly move on from that. What do you want to say to your...
Yeah, so like speaking of getting a brief before the meeting, I think that will help a lot in terms of कि you won't have to explain it to them again in the meeting. ऐसा नहीं हो जाना चाहिए. You need to have a clear vision of what you're going to say. You need to have a clear idea of what you're going to say prior to the meeting that's about to start. So if you're going in a meeting और फिर मेरे को 5 लोगों को अलग अलग टाइम पे बताना पड़ रहा है बार को वापस से कि the meeting is about this, we have discussed this, I sent you this, did you do this. So that is बहुत ज़्यादा ही counter intuitive कि my time is getting wasted explaining what the meeting is about. जबकि meeting में it should happen that people are bringing ideas about that particular subject.
Exactly. I think this is followed at Amazon, you know. They do not have mails or they do not bring laptops in the meeting rooms. What they do is like, Jeff Bezos has told this on multiple platforms. So what they do is like they have a memo before every meeting and each person will have that memo and they'll only stick to that memo. Whatever brainstorming, whatever ideas exchanging, whatever they're doing, it will be around that memo. So there are no useless decks or useless presentations. So what have we learned? Shorter meetings.
Meetings and decks.
Shorter answers.
Yeah.
Yes.
जितना काम है उतनी आती.
Meetings are also about relationship building. So have those etiquettes with you, but also again from our point of view, ki have a little more confidence going into meetings. What gotten, and for the managers, I feel like he also install that confidence in the newer employees who are coming in and try to make them part of the meetings.
Be present for them. Yes. Yeah.
इसका रील अच्छा बनेगा.
Make them feel noticed.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And yeah, most meetings should be
जब भी यानी.
be a bit.
हम लोग कुछ छोटे छोटे टॉपिक का कुछ ज्यादा ही बड़ा for no reason
ये पॉडकास्ट का यही तो है.
बात का बतंगड़ बना रहे.
Okay, ये जो मैं स्टार्टिंग से दिमाग में रखा हूँ, बट मेरे को कभी बोलने का मौका नहीं मिला ये एपिसोड में. बट फन फैक्ट, दिस पॉडकास्ट वाज कॉल्ड बोर्ड मीटिंग्स बिफोर.
Oh yes. What do you prefer, overtime or board meetings?
Oh. God.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you guys.
Take
Thank
care.
you. Bye.
Bye bye.